These are the two that I'm going to be working with tonight. These are my two favorites. So let's get going here. So I pulled out some things that I had from a special, oh my gosh, I bet I've had them probably 10 or 15 years. It was special little pieces that I had that looked very patriotic. There's like the patriotic, the eagle and the ribbons. So I'm going to use those. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put, I don't know if y'all can see this, I'm going to have to keep raising it for you. But, so I'm just going to put this on the edge like it's draped. I think that looks cute. So we're just going to do that right on top. We're going to zhuzh that up a little bit too. And then I thought on the inside, I'm going to put this eagle, not where I'm writing, but on the very inside, so that when they open it, they'll see that. Okay, so I just put that on the inside, and then this is where my message will go. I'm going to work with the number 3 size on this, and then we're going to work with the sapphire and the ruby. I'm going to put a little bit. I'm not going to put too much at one time. I'm going to start out like this. We're going to bling up these dog tags, and then we're going to move on to some other parts of this too. I'm going to decorate that little. Y'all, this is so fun. Y'all have to get this kit and try it. You're gonna just fall in love with it. Okay. I want them to fall off, y'all. But those are the dog tags so far. All right. Here's what I was thinking up here for the little banner that we added. See, we're going to use the ruby, which is number 1. See, they're all numbered, so you know what you're using, which is another smart idea. I would be so confused. It's almost like paint by number. I think what I'm going to do on this is just kind of dot here, dot here, dot here. See if I can make it where it looks even. Red bling. Y'all, how quick is that? Can y'all see that? Sitting on top. Let's get some different size diamonds out. We go to the smaller ones. These are going to be 5s, I think. 5s. And they're tiny, tiny, tiny. Do these stars. Oh, that looks good already. Can y'all see the red intermittently there with the dazzle? Let's get some of this blue. I want the sapphire. That's number 5. Thinking as I go. 1, 2. There we go. Just kind of doing those intermittently too. Oh my gosh, aren't they showing up, y'all? There we go. Now you can see what I'm doing. What we have so far. I feel like if I get it closer, y'all can see it better. Okay, that is it for the sapphire. Okay, I'm gonna use, we were using 3s a while ago. I'm gonna get some of these 5s and kind of finish up the other side of this dog tag, like the second one. write your special message inside. They open it and they see the eagle. So that's kind of my take on this one. Just blinging up that way we use the red and the blue in certain areas. So that's that one. Here is the other one that I'm going to use. I know it's backwards in the camera. Land of the Free because of the brave. Here's what I was thinking on it. I have more of these. Okay, here's my thought for these. I'm gonna put one here. It'll fit perfect. I measured earlier to see if it would go on. So all of them. So I'm gonna put this right here. Kind of watch what I'm doing. Got another one just like it. I'm gonna put this one on this side, about the same, coming in from the end as the other, so it looks balanced. Just added a little bit of something. And again, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put him inside this one too. I'm gonna put that right inside. Now, what do I want to do on this one? Pretty. I think let's just stay with the real pretty sapphire, the number 5 on here. I'm gonna dump it in this tray, a few of them. We're gonna do the ruby. That's number 1. Okay, so I'm just gonna go along here and we're gonna work with the blues. It's perfectly dotted. That was probably by design, it would be my guess. Has a perfect dot set up for you. Put the sapphire. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Okay, we got the L done. Look how pretty that is. See, it's just 3D. Very pretty. Okay, that's the end. That just looks totally different on camera. Just having that sapphire sitting on there. So we've got our blue bling out already. I'm gonna do some pretty rubies. Look at these rubies, y'all. This ruby red. I don't want to dump them. It's hard to show y'all. They're so pretty. You see that? How pretty. Look how that just sparkles. See that? Let's do that number 3 again. That's a good size. These banners. On this one, I'm going to do like this, opposite of what I did a while ago. And we're going to put the clear instead of the red. Just so it has a little bit of white, beautiful rhinestones. Clear. It's so cool. Oh, this card's getting heavy. You'll see. Really up close. I've got this little cross, and I thought we might just put it in the corner. I would just use a blingy one. Y'all could put ribbons on these. Y'all could do all kinds of stuff. I think that that's gonna stay. All right, so this is our first one where we use the sapphire, the rubies, and the clear, and then a little eagle inside. And then we've got this one. This one's heavy with the land of the free because of the brave, with the little cross in the corner, all blinged up, and then also with the eagle inside when they open it.
Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at totallydazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.